I'm James Cullen, a local San Francisco realtor. And why did the bridge lights go out? Is it because of the storms we're having? Is it because they're made of the same lights that my dad had on his Christmas tree, where one light goes out, the whole thing goes out? No. Here's the story of what's going on, and here's how you can help if you want to. I'm not even here to talk about the ferry building, which is a great attraction as it is. However, it's something that maybe a lot of us have taken for granted over the last 10 years. Chances are you've commuted across it at some point, even for a day. And this is why. Because you may appreciate these lights right now. However, come March 5th, they're going out. And they could be gone forever. Why might they disappear forever? Is it because PG&E bills got so expensive the city of San Francisco can't even afford this? It's a bridge. What's the big deal if there's no lights? As you look over photos between different years, you'll notice that large chunks started to disappear. Those are the lights slowly failing. A company called Illuminate, a nonprofit who does large art installations, is seeking $11 million to repair and replace all the LEDs. Why $11 million? That's a lot of money. But truth of the matter is, they're not only going to upgrade the lights, they're going to make sure that they're a new age LED that could last longer than the 10 years. But it's also going to be available on both sides of the bridge. So from the East Bay, you'll also be able to see. This is not from the East Bay. This is from the Warriors Chase Center. But you could see some of the lights. And that is actually looking through from the southern side, which doesn't have lights right now. Is it easy to take this for granted since we use it every day just as a bridge and it does just fine? At night, though, here's the experience. And it could be romantic and lit up. But even looking a bit closer, you can see the lights flickering. They have to deal with rain and fog and high winds. As a realtor, it reminds me of that one socket that's just kind of loose and can't keep a charge. Here I am just beneath the bridge on the south side. You can see no lights attached. So that upgrade would provide lights going south. I'm on one of the streetcars enjoying this view. Can I just enjoy this as a bridge? Of course. But come nightlife, only the new section of the bridge will be lit up, not the old. I should add that the LED lights were added as a celebration of the 75 years the Baybridge had been in place. And they were only supposed to last for about 3 years. But here we are 10 years later, and all these buildings get to enjoy it come the evening. Take a look at this photo I took the other night.
What time is it? Do we still have...
There's like 2 more minutes.
Oh, so sad.
Are you guys local?
Yeah.
Nice. From last week.
My theory is that one and that little one right there are broken.
Okay.
With the that one that is all straight.
Yep. And then this one's like every other.
Oh. No. Oh my god.
There's that one strand left. The one we were talking about. The other's fluttering. So there it is. Lights are out. If you do want to help, I'm going to link below Illuminate and their projects and the fundraising that they're doing to get the lights back up. They do need 11 million, and that will provide lights on both sides, so the bridge will be visible from both directions. And if all goes well, Labor Day weekend, they're planning to unleash the new lights on the Bay Bridge. So 85th year, how exciting. But for now, a little less romantic. When the lights go down in the city and the sun shines on the bay, oh, I want to be there in my city. Whoa.